Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for December 17th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, this one, it does look into this box, leaving 1 in one of these two cells. That's going to point in here, along with this one, putting a 1 in one of these three. We also have two 5s here. This 5 helps, puts a 5 in one of these two cells, and the 2 is placed in this box. That's quite nice. Now these two 2s look in. This 2 looks up, putting a 2 in one of these two cells. 3 digits left for this box. We need the 1, 7, 9. So I'm going to pencil that and clean it up. So, oh, actually, no, these two 7s first. Yeah, it places the 7, which places the 1, which then places the 9. Okay, it just finishes. Anything else here? So this row is down to 4 digits. We need a 3, 6, 7, 8. We've got the 7 and the 8, and we've got 3, 6 here. So this is the only one not worth penciling. 3, 6, 7, 8. This sees the 3, 6. Oh yeah, this sees 6 and 8. That sees 7. I think this is any of 3, 6, 7, 8, though, unfortunately. I don't think there's anything else like... Actually, oh no, I got the 5s already. I was thinking about the 5. Oh, I do have 2 3s looking up here. I want to look at all the digits in here. I don't know why I started with 3. There's a 3 in one of these two cells. Let's go through each digit. The 1s we took care of. The 2s we took care of. 3s we just did. That 3 isn't helpful in this box. The 4 is not quite doing anything. The 5 we have marked already. The 6... So the 6... No, the 6 and the 4 aren't quite the same. The 7 and the 8... Have I looked over here? The 6... over here, the 6 is in 2 places. So 6 is in one of these two cells. That points down along with this 6. The 6 looks in. Puts a 6 in one of these two cells. Okay, that was the 6. The 7... Not quite good enough there. The 8... And the 9. Okay, I think we're done with this top band. Let's go on to the next band. We do have 2 7s here. Puts a 7 in one of these two cells. We also have the 2, 4, and 8. So 2 2s. This 2 helps. We have the 4. 4's in one of these two cells. The 7s. We got the 8. 8's not quite good enough. And then we also have the 3 and the 5 and the 6. So unfortunately, 3 doesn't quite help enough there. The 5... Actually, there is a 5 in one of these two cells. And then the 6 we got. Okay. That might be it for this, but I'm going to think about this box anyway, because there's some interesting geometry going on here. In fact, let's look at this 2, 4, 8 real quick. No, we can't quite do anything with that, can we? I mean, 8... Yeah, we have these two 8s looking down. This 8 looks in. I was going to say 8 in the column, but the box is easier to see. We also have the 2 2s looking down. We have the 2 4s looking down. And then we have the 2 7. Oh, we have all 3 7s. Okay. But, yeah, what's left in this box? Let's just think about it. We do need a 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. So this 5 looks down, this 5 looks in, puts a 5 in one of these two. The 3 looks in, 3's here. 1, so 1, 3. The 1... This isn't 1 or 5, or 6. Oh, the 1 and the 6 end up here. Oh wait, the 6 is even more limited. The 6 is in one of these two. Oh, that's helpful. I kind of missed this when I was scanning. I don't understand why I did, but we got to get now. These 6s point into here, placing the 6 here. We already have these 6s. Okay. So what is this cell? It's not 1, 2. It could be 3. It's not 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It could be 9. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 6, 9. 1, 3, 5, 6, 9. So this is 1, 3. It's not 5, 6. It could be 9. This isn't 1, but it could be 3, 5, can't be 6, could be 9. 1, 3, 5, 6, 9. This isn't 3 or 5, so I'm just going to mark this whole thing. 1, 3, 5, 6, 9. Let's clean it up. So this isn't 3 or 5, this isn't 3 or 9. The box is limited, but I don't think we could get anything else out of it. Okay, and we know that 2 and 8 are down here. Right, I think I just want to move on to this final band here. I really want there to be something else going on, but well, we have these 7s. Puts a 7 one of these two. That points up into here along with this 7 and this 7, putting a 7 one of these two. So is this cell limited? It's not the 1, 6, 7. It's not 2, 5. It's also not 8. So could be 3, 4. Can't be 5, 6, 7, 8. Could be 9. This row is down to 4 digits. We need the 1, 3, 4, 9. These aren't the. This isn't 3. This isn't 1, 3, or 4. So this is a naked 9. That gives us the 3 here. Okay. So what are we left with? 1 and 4. Oh, it is resolved. This one resolves it. We get the 4. We get the 1. These 3 digits. We need the 1, 7, 8. Okay. It cleans up a little bit, but I don't think it resolves. It's not 1. That's not 7. So this one looking up means that's not 1. 5, 6, 8. Like this one's not 5, 8. This one's not 5. This one's not 5. It's not good enough. 3, 4, 1. One in this column, or 1 in this box is here. All right, I'm gonna look at this band. I haven't quite looked at this band fully. Let's look at the 1, 3, and 4. So this 1, not quite doing anything. The 3, no. And then the 4 is here and here. Yeah. Okay, what about this column? It's down to 4 digits. We need a 2, 5, 7, 8. 2, 5, 7, 8. Well, this sees 2, 7, and 8. So this is a naked 5. So this is 2, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, I'm not seeing 5, 6, 8. Not seeing what to do next here. I'm gonna look vertically. Make sure I didn't miss anything. We do have these 2 5s. What's a 5? Oh, and this 5 looks in. Okay. So I think I didn't look at the 5, 6, 8 enough. So that's our 5. These 2 5s look in here. This 5 looks down. We can find one of these 2. The 6 doesn't seem to do anything, and then the 8. Ah, yeah, we already have it marked here. All right, so what is the next step? This row is down to 4 digits. We need a 3, 4, 6, 9. This is not 3 or sorry, this is not 3 or 4, so it's 6, 9. All right, these can be any of them. This whole column is 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 7, 8, 9. This is 6, 7, 9. Okay. Something I'm missing about this puzzle. This is still 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's see if there's. Okay, these 2 cells here have to be limited because they're not the 2, 4, 5, 8, and they're not the 7. So I'm just going to write out what they could be. They could be 1. They're not 2. They could be 3. They're not 4, 5. They could be 7. They're not. Sorry, it could be 6. They're not 7, 8. It could be 9. Okay, so this is a naked single. Oh, I missed the 156 down here, and this sees 15. I missed that this column was limited. So that's our 6. So this is 15. So 6 in this column can only go here. Actually, 6 in the box also. That's our 6. Okay. 159. I don't need these corner marks. Do I want to think about this row, maybe? We need 1, 4, 5, 8, 9. Well, they aren't the 1, so they're 4, 5, 8, 9. So these are 4, 8, 9. This is 4, 5, 9. Not super helpful. Think about this cell here. What could it be? It could be 1. It can't be 2. It could be 3. It can't be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Could be 9. So that matches this one. 1, 3, 9. Because we need the 6 and the 8 still in this row. And this is where they go. Okay. Yeah, I think I had this was almost working before, but now it does work. We need 6, 8 in this row. Because of this, 6, 8 can't go here. Sorry. So these two cells have to be the 6, 8. It's a hidden pair in the row. Because we have to put 6 and 8 somewhere in the row, and these are the only two cells that can be. So these are the two cells that are. But this 6 tells us this is the 8. This is the 6. I guess it was a hidden single 6, not a hidden single 8 in that case. You can see it with the hidden pair also. So what do the 6 and 8 get me? Well, this is down to 2, 5, 9. I know this one's not 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 3's in one of these two cells. Let's see, we have the 4, 5. Huh. So the 4 and the 7 go down here along with whatever this cell ends up being, the 1, 3, or 9. I don't know which one it is. Can't do anything with that. This box, we need 2, 7, 8, 9. So this is 2, this is 2, 7, 9. I think this can be any of 2, 7, 8, 9, unfortunately. Wow, this puzzle is weird. The rest of this row, we need 1, 2, 3. So the 2 is in one of these two cells. We need 1, 2, 3, 9. This isn't a 1, so this is just 2, 3, 9. It's gonna be any of them, unfortunately. Huh. Is this cell limited? It's not the 2 or 7, so it's not the 3 either. So we need a 1. It's not 2, not 3. Could be 4. It's not 5, 6, 7, 8. It could be 9. We need to know more about 9s. I did get this 9 and that 9. And we know the 9's in one of these two cells in this box. That points in here, so 9 ends up down here somewhere. So this cell's pretty limited because it's not 1, 2. Could be 3. It's not 4. It's not 5. I have the corner. Yeah, it's not 5. It's not 6, 7. I think it could be 8, but it can't be 9 because of the pointing 9s. So it's down to 3, 8 only. Or do the 3's point in here? No. They don't. We got the 2, we got the 5, we got the 6. Maybe there's more geometry that I'm missing now. Let's see, I got these pointing 6s. Look at what looks through here. The 3 does. The 5 does. No, the 5 doesn't help. The 3 and the 6 then. What am I missing? Is there like... the 6 in this column is what I'm missing. It's only here. Just on our markings. That places the 6 up here. 6s are now done. The rest of this row is 3, 4, 9. Completely unrestricted. Unrestricted. 3, 7, 8. What else am I missing? This is still 2, 7, 8, 9, right? Huh. Oh, this is a 2, 7, 9 triple. Okay. So before I apply it to the row, I want to talk about how the sevens work in this 2, 7, 8 triple. Sorry, 2, 7, 9 triple. Because we know that because this is a naked triple, one of these will be 2, one of these will be 7, one of these will be 9, because there's not another number we can put in them. So these 3 cells, one will be 2, one will be 7, one will be 9. We know this one's not the 7, meaning the 7 will end up in one of these 2 cells. And so that's an early way of remembering and noticing that we get claiming 7s after we clear the 2, 7, 9 from these cells. So now this claiming 7 does remove 7 from here. Now, I think this would have happened anyway. We didn't have to notice that in this case, because the 2, 7, 9 triple removes this 7, placing 7 in this box, which would have eliminated 7 here anyway. But now that these aren't 7, this is just 2, 8, 9. And then this is a 3, 4 pair to finish the row. So yeah, this 2, 7, 9 triple, that has to be important. How can I follow up more with that? Well, I corner mark 7s here. 7s are corner marked here as well. These line up. The question we want to ask is, where does the 7 go in this column, column 1? And the answer is one of these 2 cells. So 7 claims here, meaning this can't be a 7 and this can't be a 7. None of these are 7. Because the 7's here. So does that help this cell at all? I really... I don't think so. Let's see. 8, 9 didn't help this column yet. Okay, so what am I missing now? 1, 2, 3, 9. This 3, 4 pair. So 2, 7, 9 was... So 2 and 9 were removed from here. Not the 2, so the 9 was removed. Not helpful. We know these can't be 9. Is that helpful? I mean, I could pencil more cells. I'm not sure if that's going to be the most helpful thing. Let's see. This column, we need 1, 3, 4, 9. This can't be 3, so this is 1, 4, 9. It matches this one. That doesn't help me. One, 3, 9. Joins the 4. What is happening here? There's something going on here. 7, 8, 9. This introduces 2. Okay, let's see what this can be. It can be 2. It can't be 3. Could be 4. Can't be 5, 6. Could be 7. No, it can't be 7 because they're claiming 7s. And it could be 8, 9. Introduce the 4. Yeah, doesn't really help me. We know 4 is in one of these 2 cells. Is there just some scanning that I didn't do? 6, 7, 5, 1, no. Tricky one at the end here. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Well, this isn't 4, so 1, 2, 3, 9. Huh. What am I missing? I don't know where to look. Should I mark these up? It doesn't seem useful, but these can be 1. We have the 2. We have the 3. 4 is anywhere. We have the 5 and 6. 7 can only go here. And then we have 8 and 9. These can be 8. Oh, is there a 1-8 hidden triple here? Okay, I'm going to clear these out for a second. This 8 looks up, and this 8 looks in. This is might be the important. That means 8's in one of these two cells, and that makes a hidden 1-8 pair, where in this box 1 and 8 can only go here and here. So that hidden 1-8 pair means that this can't be 8. This has to be a 9. Right, that's our 9. The 9 gives us the 7 and the 8. That gives us the 3. We get our 1 and 7. We get our 5, 9, and 1. That places the 5 and the 2 in here. Placing the 2 in here, we get our 4. Lots of resolved digits. 1, 3, 2, 5, 9, 4. We get our 9. We get our 1 and 9. This is a 3. This is 4. We get the 3 and the 9. We get the 8 and the 1. This is 9, 4, and 8. That's our 8. So we get our 2 and 8. We get our 7, 2, and 4. That's our 3. That's our 7. And we're suddenly done. So the 8s being limited here was key. I guess it took all of these 8s to do it, I'm assuming. But yeah, okay. Yeah, that took a bit to spot. I should have spotted that. Maybe I didn't follow it properly when I placed this 8. I'm not sure what was the board state when I found that. Anyway, yeah, it seems like there was something that made me fail to follow up on these 8s, because from the start they weren't great. But something removed 8 from here. Maybe it was placing the 6 here. When I finished this 6, that's what cued the 8 to be limited to these two, and then that was key to get 8 out of this cell right here. All right, cool. Well, sorry about the delay in finishing the solve there, but that's what happens when I do live solves. Hopefully this was helpful. And if you enjoyed this, why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.